Hey guys, taking a look at silver. Silver on the daily time frame showing a little bit of weakness in yesterday or today's trading action, only a couple hours in the current candlestick on the daily time frame. Indecision candlestick currently holding between AMA 12 and 26. We really need to see bulls get a new high over this and continue this upswing. I would think it'd be unlikely for the bulls to set a lower high right at this level. I guess, however, this trend is pretty aggressive. I would like to get a little bit closer, maybe a one final push before moving to the downside. We'll see what happens. Really, it comes down to what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. But currently, let's remember that the daily trend is setting lower lows, lower highs. So the 4-hour trend is what I'm interested in, and it's really the sideways trading action. And we're seeing almost a channel. We'll see if we can make some more sense of it on the sub time frames, but let's go and look at what is happening here. Where is that button? There we go. So we're being held down ultimately by a resistance here at 17.62. Bulls are able to get over that with relative ease, but they keep getting pushed down below that level. So something is happening at that threshold that seems to be causing a major area of support resistance, and we can see this even back here. Almost to the penny, we have a level of resistance that's coming in. So very interesting action. I'm not sure I can quite explain it at this point, but this is something that bulls absolutely need to get over, back test, and ideally show as much commitment and support on the other side as it has shown on resistance. So we just keep hammering. We need to keep hammering on the other side. And if we're able to keep hammering like that and then break this daily trend line, that opens up the door for more of a possible overall break on the daily time frame. It just shows a little bit of strength, and that's what we're really interested in for a bullish position on silver. On the hourly time frame, what's going on here? We are setting higher highs and higher lows, so we need to see a more concerted effort to establish an actual pattern. All I'm seeing is widening ranges and volatility. That doesn't really help me determine what's going on. Ultimately, hourly time frame, we need to keep setting a higher high over 1747, get a concrete hourly trend in place that's going to give us a little bit of direction. But again, battling that 1762 level, something weird is happening there, and we need to see if bulls can get over that. So let's look at possible scenarios. If bulls are able to get over that level, then we have our high resistance here at 1779, and then ultimately 805, and then nothing to 1874 with some brief areas of minor resistance before that. On the downside, if bulls lose this trend and we're not able to break over 1762, we're going to look for further downside with support at 1719 and then 1689. So big battle taking place. We need to see who is going to win this one. So far, bulls are not giving up, but they got to be getting tired at this point. Let's see if they're able to pull it off.